Guys, what is up? I hope you guys are all having an awesome day, and I hope it's sunny where you are, because here it is a little bit gloomy, which is a little bit annoying, but you know what, we're just gonna get through that and just say, you know what, it's gonna get sunny again. It's gonna be my May favorite, so happy June to all you guys out there. I hope you guys are finishing school happy and excited and ready for summertime. So let's just get into the video. So the first couple things I want to do are beauty, and for this month I didn't really have a lot of new beauty favorites, but I did rediscover this product. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Detangling Conditioner, whatever it is. This is the same bottle, but I went to my parents' house a few weeks ago, or about a month ago or something like that, and I had left it at their house, and when I got home I forgot that I had left it at their house. So when I was back in my dorm in college, I was like frantically looking for it. I was seriously like taking my phone with the flashlight and like looking in nooks and crannies, trying to figure out if I had like dropped it somewhere, and then I ended up realizing that I left it. So when they brought it to me, I was like, oh my god. So I rediscovered this and I was like, hallelujah. I was like super excited, and I am super happy that I have this back because I love it so much. It's like my favorite hair product like ever. Next beauty thing is nails related. I have been getting into the summer spirit, and I've been really obsessed with watermelon. I don't know what it is, but I have been doing all sorts of fun things having to do with watermelon. I recently just did some watermelon nails, and I had all my nails pink except for my left ring finger had a watermelon in it, and I will try to insert a picture of that right here. And then I've been really into crafting lately as well. So I recently saw I saw a video of Ingrid making watermelon shoes, and I was like, I have been wanting to make those for such a long time. So I finally went out and got the materials to make watermelon shoes. So I'm here to show you my creation. Oh my gosh, look at how freaking cute they are. I love them so much. They're a little bit scuffed on the sides, so I'm going to see if I can get a different paint for around the edges. But other than that, they look super adorable. I absolutely love them. I wore them once, but since it's raining outside, I didn't want to get them wet again. But I absolutely love these shoes, and I'm super excited to wear them throughout the summer months. Next, since I don't have a lot of beauty stuff, I'm just going to move straight into random stuff that I love YouTubers. And recently, Connor Franta came out with a book, and he came out with his audiobook version of his book, and I recently read it last month, and I loved it so much all over again. When I first read it hard copy, I could not put it down. I put it in my last month's favorite, and I'll try to link it down below. But then he came out with his audio version of this book, A Work in Progress, and I absolutely loved it so much because he was reading it to you, and you could just feel more connected to the story as he was reading it to you. And then moving away from audio, I want to go into actual physical copies of books. So I recently picked up another YouTuber book called In Real Life, My Journey to Pixelated World by Joe Graceffa. I love this book. It was so good. I am super excited to listen to the audio. I'm still waiting for credits. You know how it is. Anyway, but I recently picked this up on May 19th when it came out, and I immediately started reading it, and it was so good. It was like right from the get-go. It was super deep. And it was just basically deep throughout the whole entire book. There were stories that we never knew, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's like, it made me really like emotional, because I just wanted to like reach in and like give him a hug, because I was like, oh my gosh, that's so like, it made my heart literally melt into like a puddle. And so this book was just so good, and I just love it, and I'm super excited to listen to the audio of it eventually. But definitely go pick this book up by Joey Graceffa. It is amazing. I loved it. And at the very end, I cried. Because it was just like, I don't know, the endings of books sometimes are just like the best part. So, yes, this was my favorite book of the month rather than audio. So moving on, I want to talk about movies. So, I recently went and saw Pitch Perfect 2, and I did a little vlog on my reaction, so you can go watch that if you want. I'll try to link it in the down bar below. But it was so good. I've seen it twice, and it was really good. Once by myself, and then when I went to Seattle last weekend, not last weekend, but the weekend before, I ended up seeing it with my friend, and it was just so good the second time, and I was just like, oh, this is the best movie ever! It's just like my favorite movie right now, and I'm so excited to own it and watch it over and over again, like I have with Pitch Perfect 1, and I recently watched that last weekend, and I was obsessed all over again, and I just love Pitch Perfect. It's just like my favorite movie, and the second one was like super good, and I just love it so much. I'm gonna move on to clothing items. So the first clothing item I have is a romper, and it's by Bethany Mota, and it looks like this. It is so cute. It's the bottom of it. I just love the pattern. I walked into Aeropostale, and I saw it, and I was like, I want this in my life, and it looks really cute with white sneakers, and I love it so much. And the one thing I do love about it the most is the detailing. It's got little bows on the back, which I think is super cute. I love it, and I've been wearing it a lot this past month. Next clothing item is I want to move on to my Trixton shirt, which I'm wearing right now. I absolutely love it. And I wear it all the time, like literally all the time. I just want to wear it like every day. And it's so comfortable, and it's super cute. And it's like those days when you don't really feel like you just can't figure out what to wear. You just put on your Trixton shirt and you're like, bam, I have an outfit. Which was what happened kind of today. I was like, I don't know what to wear. Or I'm like having trouble figuring out what to wear. I don't know. Because it's like kind of a gloomy day outside. And I was like, bam, Trixton shirt. It was awesome. And last but not least, something amazing happened in May, and it actually was when Joey's book came out, which is crazy. So if you haven't seen my video yet, I'll try to link it in the bottom bar below. If not, you can just go check it out on my channel. It's called Trixton Unboxing /OTD. And I recently, when I got my Trixton shirt, I did a little bit of an unboxing haul. It wasn't really a box, it was more like a bag, but whatever. And I decided that when I got my shirt, I wanted to react to me opening it on camera. So I decided to put it on YouTube, like always, because I love making videos. And one day, I was watching my favorite family on YouTube, Shay Carl and the Shaytars. And you guys know I love Shay Carl and the Shaytars. I'm like obsessed, and I'm just like, ugh. It's really sad. Anyway, moving on from that. So I did my little haul, and then I put it up on, my channel, and it only had like, I don't know, like 6 views or something like that. So I was like, whatever. So going back, I was watching one of their videos, and I had a notification on my channel, and I was like, what the heck? And all these comments saying, I came here from Feeling Lucky, and I'm like, okay, what's going on? And so I clicked on the Feeling Lucky video at the end of the Shaytards end slates. If you don't know, there is an end slate at the end of their videos, and there's little places you can go to, like a mystery video. You can click on videos from 6 years ago and watch those. So moving on, I already did a video on this, so you can also go check that out on my channel. But it was just a favorite of mine because that video that I did of unboxing this shirt actually ended up on the Shaytards Feeling Lucky button, and I was so like shocked, and I did not expect that to happen. I did not tag him. I did not promote, I did not like promote it on YouTube, like tweeting it or anything. I just put it on my channel because I wanted to do it because I felt like it, and somehow it ended up on the Feeling Lucky button, and I am so shocked, and it changed my YouTube channel so much. I have now like 72 subscribers. I am so grateful, and like totally like thank you. I don't know what to say, but it definitely changed my life. My video has over like 14,000 views, which is crazy. Like, what? That is just nuts. I don't understand what happened. I don't know how he found the video, but that has been my highlight of May, and it was just like a big explosion happened on my channel, and I am so grateful and totally surprised. I did not ask for this at all, and again, even though I already mentioned this in my other video, I just want to say, Shay, if you're watching this, thank you so much. That, like, you changed my life, literally. I'm not trying to say that to be, like, all, like, wishy-washy, but seriously. Anyway, I just wanted to announce that to you guys. For those of you who haven't yet, seen that, you can go check those videos out if you want, but that was one of the highlights, and I don't know, it made me really happy. So, yeah, that was everything of my favorites. I hope you guys all enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you want, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be confident and stay beautiful. Bye, guys.